Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss custom manufacturing and OEM/ODM services for commercial energy storage systems and the importance and features of VeryPower in the commercial energy storage systems market. Commercial energy storage systems refer to the storage and management of electrical energy through energy storage technologies to meet the needs of commercial and industrial users. With the popularity of renewable energy sources, commercial energy storage systems are playing an increasingly important role in energy management. As an industry-leading commercial storage manufacturer, we offer one-stop solutions. A full range of services from design and development to production and installation ensures that our customers receive professional support throughout the entire process. Whether it's a customized product requirement or a standardized solution, we can meet it all. We provide OEM/ODM service. We are able to customize production according to customers' specific needs. Whether it is brand cooperation or product design, we can provide flexible solutions to help customers stand out in the market. Our commercial energy storage systems offer a wide range of options to suit different sized energy needs. Whether it's a 500 kW solution for a large enterprise or a flexible 100 kW configuration, we have the right product to ensure your energy is managed efficiently and economically. By choosing our energy storage solutions, these commercial energy storage systems not only support regular power needs, but can also be used in conjunction with renewable energy sources to reduce energy waste and increase energy self-sufficiency. We always put quality at the core of our business and strictly follow international standards. Our quality management system is ISO 9001 certified, ensuring that every aspect meets the high standard requirements. You can be assured of choosing our products and enjoying high-quality service. This is a perfect solution: the commercial energy storage systems for solar farms and ground mount installations, remote operations, e.g., microgrids, mining and agriculture. Commercial solar systems without existing storage, operations running on diesel generators, companies with high energy demand, e.g., cold storage facilities. We are committed to bringing you safety and convenience through innovation and high standards of service. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products and services, please feel free to contact us and subscribe to our channel for more information. See you next time.